Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to share 3 very fast, easy, beginner-friendly air dry clay projects that I made. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so for our first project, we're going to be making candle holders. So grab a small chunk of clay and roll it into a ball, and don't worry about this being perfect. You should end up with something like this, and then I'm going to flatten it down a little bit. Now I'm going to take a candle and I'm going to push it into the clay, and make sure that you push it down far enough to where the candle can stand up on its own. And then if you get like little cracks like I did, you can just blend those away. Okay, so I went ahead and made another one of these because I wanted to make this a set. I'm gonna take some more clay and I'm gonna make a bunch of little balls. And this is the inspo for these candle holders. And now I'm going to attach the little circles to the base of my candle holders. I'm only pressing them into the clay because this clay that I'm using is pretty sticky, and so I'm confident that the clay will stick to itself really well. But if your clay is having a hard time sticking, just make sure to use some slip. And then there's no right or wrong way to attach the little circles. You can do any design that you want. So now I'm going to let these dry.
2 hours later.
My candle holders are now dry, so now I'm just going to paint them. And then lastly, I'm going to seal these using Deco Art's matte varnish. Okay guys, so the first thing that I did was trace out this oval shape to use as my stencil for the trinket dish that we are going to make. Next, grab a big chunk of clay and roll it out. I always like to add a little bit of water to the top of my clay so that my stencil can really stick to it. And then now I'm going to trace out my shape. I'm going back in with a little bit of water to blend out the edges. I'm grabbing some more clay and I'm going to make a bunch of little round clay balls because I'm going to line the edge of this trinket dish with them. Don't worry about them being exactly the same size, just try to get them as similar as you can. I'm making sure to add a bunch of water to my oval to make it really sticky, and then I'm just going to add the little balls on top. My clay is really sticky enough to where the clay balls will attach themselves, but if you're having trouble with this, you can always use some slip. And then I'm also making sure to press down on the clay so that it does attach better. Do any last minute adjustments you need and then let this dry.
3 days later.
Okay, so here she is dry, and I'm gonna sand the edges of this a little bit. And then now I'm gonna paint, and you can also add in like a really cute design or something if you wanted to, but I wanted to keep this pretty simple. And then lastly, I'm going to seal this with Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. Alright guys, so for our last air dry clay project, we're going to be making a cactus air plant holder. So take a nice chunk of clay and roll it out into a coil, and this is going to be the body of our cactus. This looks pretty good, so now I'm going to take a little bit off the top and the bottom just to make sure that it's flat. I'm going to blend out any cracks in the clay with some water. Make sure that this can stand up by itself, and then I'm going to take my loop tool and I'm going to carve out some clay from the top so that I can fit an air plant in there. And then right here, make sure to blend everything out nice and neat using some water. Okay guys, so this looks pretty good, so now it's time to work on the rest of the body. I'm going to take some more clay and roll out another coil, this time a little thinner, and it's going to be for one of the cactus's arms. Right here, I'm checking the length, and I think it's still a little bit bigger than I wanted it to be, so I'm just going to cut off a little bit more of the arm. And I like this length now, so I'm going to attach this, and I'm going to score my clay using my feather wire tool. Now I'm going to take some more clay and I'm going to wrap it around where I attached the arm to the body, and then taking my modeling tool, I'm going to blend both of these pieces together. Make sure to blend everything out using some water. This is what you should have, and so now we're going to do the exact same thing and add another arm to the other side of this. And if you're having trouble keeping your arm attached to the cactus, you could also use a toothpick to help it stay together. I decided I wanted to make this arm just a little bit thicker, so I'm adding another coil of clay and blending it into the arm, and it'll just give me the thickness that I want. Alright, so do any last minute adjustments and then let this guy dry for about 2 days.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here's our cactus dry, and it looks pretty good, so I'm just going to give it a light sand and then I'm going to paint. And then of course, because it's me, I'm going to speckle because I love speckling. And then I'm going to seal this with Deco Arts matte varnish. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!